Testing, 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 testing.
Alright, hello guys. So I just bought this Haylou
Hello.
Solar LS-05 watch, and I'm really excited to open it. So I am going to share the unboxing experience with you guys. Looking at this box from the outside, it's not something I'd say I like, because personally I prefer the ones where it looks like you can just take off the top and the items or the gadgets just sit there by itself. But from the looks of it, it's just a cardboard wrapping on the outside, and you just sort of slide out the center, and we'll see how it is. But before we get there, there's this big notice stuck on the front, and it starts off with, "Can I swim or shower with this watch? No," with two big exclamation marks. And that is because the IP rating over here, the 8 stands for immersion in water, and it does not take into account like pressure or like jet spray, so take that into account when you're wearing this watch. So yep, let's open it up. Okay, we got the top open. Yep, it just slides out. Okay, let's just take the whole thing apart. Okay, all around black. Very, very classic. How do I get this open? I think, yep. Oh. Okay, I take back my first words. So I like this box very much. Once you open it, it's just a watch. From the first glance, I'm liking the build. Yep, I went for the one with the round design because I personally prefer the round one. But yeah, here it is. On the back, it has a very big monitoring device on the back. Let's see what else is in the box. Take the sponge out. Comes with a user manual, and it's in English with the warranty card behind. It's teaching you how to use it. I'll get into that in another video maybe. Yep, okay. It comes with a cable, standard USB cable, but if you can hear it, it's actually magnetic port. So this is what you use to connect to the back of the watch. Does it? I don't think there's any polarity in it. Like, it either goes on the oh okay, it only goes on one way because it's polarized magnetically, so I can't, it's actually repelling. I can touch it, but it's telling me not to. So yeah, it only goes on one way from the left of the watch. Right, so let's try to turn it up and see how it looks. Right, one thing I noticed, like before I even unboxed this, because I looked at pictures online, is that for this watch, this is a perfectly round screen, as opposed to the previous watch I had, the Amazfit Pace, because down here there is a sensor for the brightness setting. But in this watch, I think, apparently according to reviews that I've read, this uses an LCD screen rather than an OLED, so it does not have the always on function. So it is, I think, based on my understanding, it doesn't need the brightness sensor to adjust the brightness. So yep, let's see whether there's enough charge in there to turn it on. Okay, wait. Let's see, how do we turn this thing on? So it says here, hold function button for 3 seconds to power on off. Alright, that's why you gotta read the manual, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. There's some disco going on, alright. Alright, so has enough juice. Let's see how it connects to the phone. So for this watch, it connects to the Haylou Fit app, not the... There is another Haylou Sport app. Yep, but this one goes with the Fit app. The Sport app is for the other versions of the watches that Haylou has. So it says select device. Is it allowed to receive a mobile phone binding request? Okay, the English is a bit not English, but yep, it works. Okay. It comes with 81% charged, but I'm gonna charge it later on just to be safe. Right, let's see how it looks. I am liking the size, I'm liking the strap color, and the metal build has a slight matte design. Quite interesting. Okay, I will probably use it for a couple of weeks or months, and hopefully I will be able to make a follow-up video to review this. So until then, take care due to COVID and everything. Hope you're wearing your masks, and see you soon.